Okay, I think so. I think you're good.
So, good morning, everybody. How are you doing today? Good. Go to your I ready or IXL or jar. Yeah. Okay, go to your I ready. We'll be working on my pad. Go to I ready. If you need a headphone, you know where it is. If you need headphone, you can bring it from. I'm taking your attendance. Jara,
She's taking attendance.
Jayan, Tyler, Jennifer, King, Lila, Jimen, Randy, Randy. Okay, she's not here. Edwards or Caden. Ian, Paul, Diana, Jael, Jarvir, Corey, Abigail, Calix, Leah, Julian, Madison, Uriah. Here. Okay, we are doing I ready my pad. Go to my pad and we'll be working on my pad for about 5 minutes more. I can.
Oh.
Okay, now focus on me. For today's lesson, our learning goal is to compare parallelograms and triangles. Okay? To achieve the learning goals, we are going to use this vocabulary, this content specific vocabulary, okay? Hey, get. Okay, do we know what a quadrilateral is? Yes, Josh.
A shape with four sides.
Yes. What a parallelogram?
A shape with parallel sides.
Two pairs of parallelogram. Yes, that's right. What is a rectangle? What is a rectangle? Yeah.
It is a
Yeah, more specific.
it has four sides and it has two pairs of parallel sides.
Yes. And
But they are even. One side but not
what is this? Yeah, many.
it's very big.
Yes, right angle. Okay. What is identical triangle? When we call two triangles are identical. Yes, Jan.
A triangle that had identical sides.
Yeah, you can do that, but how you can identify that? How you justify that these two triangles are identical?
So you can like take it out of the square. Like split the square in half.
No, I asked you how you know that two triangles are identical.
Same size.
Yeah, but same size is okay, but how can you find them?
They both have the same area.
Yeah, that also, but if you Mary.
Um,
Yeah, go ahead.
It's like you could tell that two triangles are identical if they have the same sets of what's it called? The sides, same like length. Yeah.
Yeah. Yes, Tyler.
Exactly.
Shape, they both have the same amount of right
The same angle. that's
Can
what it is.
Deanna elaborate on what she said, cause she was in the right direction, because she
Yeah.
said two split.
Yeah.
So can you say that
Yeah,
again?
yes, Diana was right, but I was asking that how you can justify, like you can match them up. Okay? Yeah, you're right. Okay, we are going with same size, like Diana and all of you said. So, we call two triangles identical if they match up exactly when we place one on top of another, okay? We can justify it by that. What is decompose?
Like break it up.
Yes. What is compose? What does compose mean? Yes. What is base? Jan?
The bottom of the thing.
Yeah, that's correct, but can any, what is a base?
Oh, like the layer.
Yeah.
How many square units the bottom is? Or like.
Yeah, but base is can be any side of a polygon. I mean quadrilateral or anything. Any side. We can count any side as a base. What a height? Can height be any side?
Yes.
Can height be any side of a quadrilateral?
No.
Okay. What a height? What is a height? Tyler. Yeah, the height of a parallelogram. What a height is? Yeah. Can so if any side cannot be a height, then how we can find a height? Yeah, right angle with the base. Okay. A height must be perpendicular or has a right angle with the base. Okay. You already know how to find the area of a parallelogram, right? What a vertex? Do you know what a vertex is? What a vertex? Yeah. Yeah. A vertex or vertex or vertices, you can. Yeah. Can anyone tell me what a vertex is from the back table? Okay, so a vertex is the corner. Okay, the corner of a corner of triangles or parallelogram or rectangle. What a diagonal? What a diagonal is? draw a line from one corner to another corner, we will get a diagonal. Okay?
Oh, yes.
Now go to your Schoology and upload your notability. Go to your Schoology. Okay, go to your ILC classroom. It is in the notability.
No, it has to be.
It's there, cause I published it.
Oh, the unit one lesson.
Did you publish on school? Or you just
Go to Schoology.
And go to unit one.
You said them out?
Where do you?
Go
Yes.
to
Go to
Schoology,
your Schoology and then
the same place we always go to find the PDF. Unit 1, lesson 7. That's what you guys, that's what it says on the board.
Okay, but which one?
There's only one Unit 1, lesson 7. I can't see that.
It's called, it says unit 6, lesson 7. And it's
It's Unit 1, lesson 7. If it says Unit 6, then I just label it, because I have it downloaded.
yes, Jesus.
Okay, Unit 1, lesson 7, right? It's right here.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Okay. One said, well, can we read what they say? Which one says Unit 6, I wrote the wrong name. Go to the one that says lesson 7.
Go to Schoology and you will find.
Lesson 7, not the triangle.
Lesson 7.
The first, the one at the top.
Go to your.
I will rename it now. so that there's no confusion.
Unit 1, lesson
Julia, go to your Schoology and then illustrative math, and then you'll find stock listening. There you go.
You've got no
Paul, go to Schoology and then you will find this one, Unit 1, Lesson 7. Yeah, upload it to your notebook. So everyone on this page.
So this is where you should be. In this folder, at this lesson, with this PDF. Disregard the name. But that's where you should be. Go to the folder, the same folder we have been in since the beginning.
Yeah.
Unit
Yeah, it is
1,
good.
lesson 7. We are in unit 1. My mistake, I mislabeled the unit, but the assignment is the same one that she has up on.
Everyone gets that? Julian, go to your Schoology and then go to illustrative math. You will find yeah. Why is not open then?
I'm doing it. I haven't finished.
Go there. And then there. Yeah. Upload it to your notability. Okay.
But you're not working on that. This is math class. Okay, but this is math class. Go to the math assignment. Thank you.
So, here are 2 copies of a parallelogram. What does that mean? Here are 2 copies of a parallelogram. What does that mean? So 2 copies of parallelogram. What does that mean? That means that it has, both copy has same area. Okay, and then each one is already labeled with base and height, right? So for the left one, the base is here, and the height is here, right? But for the right one, if we identify our base there, so what should be our height? We need to extend our height because it says that our height is there, and to get that we need to extend our base, and then we will draw a perpendicular line to the extended base. Okay? Yeah, I said that if you identify your base, this one for the right one, okay, right, just here set, and then okay, if we identify our base is here, okay, so how we will identify our height? We need to extend our base, and then we are drawing a height here, because height has to be perpendicular over the base. Okay. Now I'll give you 2 minutes to work on this question independently. Okay. Okay, it starts now. From your earlier lesson, you already know how to find the area. The first question is asking to find an area. on that. You have 1 more minute. Everybody work on those 2 questions for me. For the first one, we need to find the area, and for the second one,
It doesn't make sense.
okay, who got the answer for the first one? Who got the answer for the first one? Jara? Oh, Giant? Yeah, what is the answer? Huh? 2.4? 3.4? Yeah, 2.4 is the answer. Okay, 2.4 is the answer here. 2.4 centimeters square. Okay, focus on the screen. So, the base of the parallelogram, the base of the parallelogram is the base. The base of the parallelogram here is 2.4, and the height is 1. So from the how we find the area? Yes, by multiplying. Okay, so 2.4 multiplied by 1, 2.4 centimeters squares, okay? Who got the second one? Who got the For the second one, it asks. Okay, stop talking. For the second one, the height of the parallelogram is 2 centimeters. How long is the base? So we need to find how long is the base, okay? So we know that area equals base times height. We already know our area because there are 2 copies, right? So they have the same area. So 2.4 equal our base times height. So what is our base here? Can anyone tell me what is 2.4 divided by 2?
1.2
Yes, 1.2. 1.2 centimeter. Yeah, those who got 1.2, this is the correct answer. Okay, move on the next section.
Ms. Tomby,
Yes?
a question.
Oh, Julian, yes.
You go back. I didn't get it.
What didn't you get?
Everything.
You already learned them from your earlier lesson. I'm just warming up here, okay?
But you need time to write, so tell her that you need time.
You already know that, how to find the area.
I need time to write.
Oh, okay, yeah. Okay, go ahead. Yeah, and everyone who finished question number 1, go to the next section. Go to the next section.
What are you asking? You didn't ask me a question. Tell me where to show it. Well, where's the marker? Where's the marker? Where's the marker? I see an answer. I don't see how you see it. I don't see how you showed it.
No, the height is 2 here. You need to find the base. How you find the base?
What is this?
You need to divide the area by the height. Okay? Yes. Yes. No. The area or the height? The base. The area, of course, centimeter square, but the base will be in centimeter.
No, it is square.
For the area.
No, you're cool. There's a plug right there.
Yes.
I told you guys to go to stylus and working.
Okay. Move to the next section. Everyone working with number 1 and 2. Okay, so you will be paired up with your shoulder partners. Okay? So we already know that 2 polygons are identical if they, pay attention please, 2 polygons are identical if they match up exactly when we place one on top of other. Okay? So for the first one, question number 1, draw one line to decompose each polygon into 2 identical triangles. Okay. For that, I already gave you the tracing paper, right? Yeah, you need to justify that you are correct or not, okay? You need to check. Yes. Okay, so how I'm going to show you for how we draw a diagonal. Okay, so diagonal is basically so a diagonal is basically joining the corners, the opposite corners, okay? So a diagonal is joining the opposite corner. Go ahead and check that if the 2 triangles are identical or not, and go do the other example. Everyone please stop talking and pair up with your shoulder partners. You 3 can pair up because you don't have to. Pair up with your shoulder partners and work on that. I will give you 2 minutes for the first 2 questions. You need to check your answer by justifying with your tracing paper. Okay?
Can they use can they just do it on their iPad?
Yeah, they will do their they will do on their iPad, but they will check the answer is correct or not with the tracing paper. So you need to find out which shape, which quadrilateral here is producing 2 identical triangles. Okay, we are looking for identical triangles. First, draw diagonal for everyone and then check that if they produce identical triangles. You have half minute. Like 30 seconds.
30 seconds? No, eight has two
Here, Zara, to find that it is identical or not. To check that the triangles are identical or not, you need to trace up. You trace one triangle and then rotate it onto other. If that match up exactly, then yes, it is, they are identical. If they are not matching up, then no. Okay, who got the answer? Does anyone get answer or you need more time?
I need more time.
Okay, I'm giving you 1 more minute.
How about more time?
Go ahead and do question number 2. You already done? Okay, stop talking, please. So who wants to talk? Which group wants to talk? Giant? Laila, you got the answer already, right? Yeah. Please work on number 2. Talk to your shoulder partner only. Why you are not working? Yes. Oh. No, you are not doing that. You after drawing a diagonal. Everyone after. So after drawing a diagonal, you need to trace up one triangular.
Yes,
You need to trace one triangle and then
the ones that are
rotate it and place it on the other one. Then if they match exactly same, they are identical. Okay, who got the answer? Huh? Okay, for A. Okay. Does A have 2 identical triangles or not? Does A have 2 identical triangles or not? Number 2? me 1 more minute. Yes.
Oh, wait, I'm trying. So C and E are
So for the diagonal, you need to add your corner, not like that. You need to add opposite corner.
That's what we did.
He didn't. He didn't. Can you help him? Because you are supposed to be paired, right?
We're helping each other.
Yeah, but he is not doing it right. That is not a diagonal.
So then you can use like.
Oh, look, look, this is not correct because that's not.
Okay. Who got the answer? Leah. Which coordinate vectors can be decomposed into two identical triangles? So for number 2, what did you got? Yes, team? A, B, D,
Yeah, see, you can't do that.
Okay, so does anybody have a different answer? Yes, Daddy. What do you have?
I have A, B, D, E, F, G. I have A, B, D, E, F, G.
Leah, what do you got?
So why is it so A, B, D,
Okay, so focus on the screen now, please. The answer is A, B, D, F, G. Okay?
Also, only C is the right answer?
C and E is not the answer because they are not a parallelogram. Okay? And also they don't produce identical triangles after you drawing a diagonal. Okay? A, B, D, F, and G. Yes, that's fine. Yeah. Okay, so you see A has two identical triangles, right?
So is it possible to go back and like just let's do all of them so they can see?
Yeah, I'm going to do that. So for B, so because this is a parallelogram and when you draw a diagonal, you will get two identical triangles, okay?
Is that the only way you can draw that diagonal? Can you do it?
Yeah, you can do any opposite corner. You can join any opposite corner to get a diagonal. For C, pay attention please. Okay, for C, what do you see here? What do we see here? Is that a parallelogram or not?
No.
No. So we can simply cross it out because it will never produce two identical triangles because it is not a parallelogram. And if we also join our corners, we see that one triangle is bigger than another, right? We can check it another way by joining this corner and we will get the same. One triangle is bigger than others, okay? For D. when we draw a diagonal on D, you can use your trace paper here. You just simply tracing one triangle and then rotate it to the on the other triangle. So if they match up exactly, so they will be identical triangles. Okay. So for E, what do we see here?
Not triangle.
Is E is a parallelogram?
Oh,
No. And if we join our corner this way,
no.
it looks like it could be identical, but if you use your tracing paper, it will not match up exactly. Okay, so they are not identical. You can draw your corner, diagonal another way, and you also don't find the identical triangles. It looks like it could be, but it is not. When you use your tracing paper, you'll see that they don't match up exactly. Now for F. If we draw a diagonal here, we will get two triangles, and they are identical. And do the same for G. Remember, you can always draw your diagonal by joining opposite corner. It could be this corner or those corner. Does anybody have any question here? So our answer is A, B, D, F, and G.
Yeah, that's what we.
Those who got the right answer did a great job here. I'm really proud of you guys. Okay, now move on to question number 3. Study the quadrilaterals that can in fact be decomposed into two identical triangles. So what did we got right now?
A, B, D, A, D.
A,
B, D, F, G.
okay, those are parallelogram or quadrilaterals. They have two identical triangles. Okay, so what do you notice about them? Can anyone tell me what do you notice about them? A, B, D, F, and G.
They're all good, like, they're all sides.
Yes, Kate?
All of a sudden, like, they all like cut, like, they all, like, way.
Okay, so they are all parallelograms, right? They are all parallelograms. Okay, so what we got from this exercise? That any parallelogram can be drawn by their joining their corner, the diagonal, and after bisect them through the diagonal, we will get two identical triangles. Okay?
So can we write down what we found?
Yeah, so write a couple of observations about what these quadrilaterals have in common. Like they are all parallelograms, they produce two identical triangles. It should be your observation. You should write it in your observation.
Skip that.
Yes, Jen? Yeah, almost. You can go to that. So, what quadrilaterals have in common? Please pay attention here. So they are all parallelograms, right?
Tyler.
They are all parallelograms. They have two identical triangles.
It's right.
Can you move?
As long as it's right.
So all of these are parallelograms. And every one has two identical triangles.
What? What does it say?
They are all parallelograms. I mean, all of them are parallelograms. Okay. All of them are parallels. Stop talking. All of them are parallelograms.
All of them are quadrilaterals. What makes them able to make
But they're quadrilaterals. Several parallels.
Okay, so all of them are parallelograms and each one has two identical triangles.
Are we?
Okay, move on to section 7.3. This will be fun. Move on to section number 7.3.
Right, but you didn't have to do that. She's telling you to go on to question number
71?
7.3.
Okay, so tear up with your shoulder partner again, and you will working on your manipulative triangles. Okay. 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 Make those triangles to parallelograms. Go ahead, King. Work on this. You are supposed to work in a pair. Okay, you are supposed to work in a pair. You need to make them parallelogram. Yeah. Go ahead, Tom. You're working together here, okay? Yes. Okay, we are running out of time here, so we will continue this on the next class, okay?
Yes.
Yeah, no, for the next Tuesday.
We'll finish it on Tuesday.
On Tuesday. So clean up your things. You can carry those in your backpack. What I gave you, the triangle. Yeah. Yeah, or you can keep them here in the green basket here.
Put them back in the bag.
We will work them on Tuesday. Yes. Yeah. Even this week, no. Yeah, you can keep it or you can bring back it to the green basket if you want. And clean up your things. Take one in the plastic bag and then go to the basket here.
Right, that's exactly. So, I need seats to be had. Have a seat in 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. If you have your earphones out, please put them back in the plastic bag. What you saying? Put your name on your tracing paper, please. Thank you again.
Put your name on your tracing paper.
Take the air out of that.
Hey, everyone, sit down. Write your name on the tracing paper. Yeah, write your name on the tracing paper.
Take the air out. It's just bust it out.
Earphone will be in the plastic bag. Write your name on the tracing paper. The tracing paper, yes, it will go to your assignment. We'll be working on that your next lesson. Draw your
First names and last names. This is school.
Three dates. 10, 6, 10, 6,
Okay, thank you everyone. Have a great weekend. But it's 10 minutes, so yeah. It's a dialogue, so yeah, I'll see you in Scorpio.